Welcome back to GeoKloud Consulting. Today you're going to cover one of the most important and common tasks you will ever perform in QGIS, saving your work as a shapefile. Maybe you've selected a few states from a country map or so, or you've just recently clipped a shapefile without actually saving it. We'll actually go through that together. So, one thing to note in QGIS is whenever you have a temporary layer, we have an icon like this, like the compressed chip. It basically means that your file is not saved. It's a temporary file, which means once you close the QGIS interface and you intend on coming back to do something on this very project phase, you won't actually get to see that that file again. So, let's quickly save it so we don't actually waste much time. So we can right click, export, save picture as. Since we're maintaining it to be a shapefile, we will leave it like that. We'll leave the format like this. We can navigate to file name. I'm interested in saving the name as the country's name. Probably I may want Ghana state boundaries. Let's put it this way. Once that's done, I click enter. I leave the CRS as default. I click OK, and we have our saved shapefile. I can actually discard the previous one. So we've basically just shown you how to take any temporary layer and save it as a permanent file. So this same format for exporting rather also applies for both raster data, just in case. So as always, would always love to ask a question and hear your feedback. What is the most common reason you find yourself needing to export new layers? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you have any QGIS related questions, please as well also do let us know, and we'll have one of our experts get back to you. So if this quick tutorial as well was helpful, please give it a like and be sure to subscribe to GeoCloud Academy for more essential GIS tips. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy mapping.